Welcome to the PRV maintenance procedure. Today we'll go through the steps required to safely and effectively maintain a pressure-reducing valve. Ensuring your safety with proper PPE is crucial. Let's begin. Step 1. Preparation. Review documentation. Ensure you have the PRV manufacturer's maintenance manual and relevant safety guidelines. Gather tools and equipment. Ensure you have the correct tools, including wrenches, screwdrivers, and any replacement parts needed. Step 2. Personal protection equipment, or PPE. Wear safety glasses. Safety glasses protect your eyes from debris and any potential splashes. Use gloves. Wear cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and hot surfaces. Put on a hard hat. If working in an area with overhead hazards, a hard hat is essential for head protection. Wear steel-toed boots. Steel-toed boots protect your feet from falling objects and other potential injuries. Use hearing protection. In noisy environments, earplugs or earmuffs are necessary to prevent hearing damage. Wear flame-resistant clothing. If working in environments where sparks or hot substances are present, flame-resistant clothing is essential. Step 3. Shutdown and isolation. Turn off the system. Ensure the system is shut down and isolated from the PRV. This may involve closing isolation valves and draining any pressure from the system. Verify zero pressure. Use a pressure gauge or other suitable instrument to confirm that there is no residual pressure in the system. As step 4, inspection, visual inspection. Inspect the PRV for any visible signs of damage, leaks, or corrosion. Check for leaks. Use a leak detection solution or other method to ensure there are no leaks around the PRV. Step 5, maintenance and repairs. Disassemble the PRV. Carefully remove the PRV from its mounting, following the manufacturer's instructions. Clean components. Clean all components thoroughly. Use appropriate cleaning agents and tools. Inspect internal parts. Check the internal parts such as the spring, diaphragm, and seats for wear or damage. Replace worn parts. Replace any worn or damaged parts with new ones as specified by the manufacturer. Reassemble the PRV. Reassemble the PRV following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Step 6, testing. Reinstall the PRV. Mount the PRV back into its position and ensure all connections are secure. Gradually reintroduce pressure. Slowly reintroduce pressure to the system and monitor the PRV for proper operation. Check for leaks. Inspect for any leaks or unusual noises during the pressure buildup. Step 7. Final checks and documentation. Verify operation. Ensure the PRV operates within its specified parameters. Document maintenance. Record the maintenance performed, including any parts replaced and observations. Remove PPE. Once the maintenance is complete and the area is safe, remove your PPE. Clean up. Dispose of any waste materials according to safety protocols and clean the work area. Great job! By following these steps and using the proper PPE, you've ensured a safe and effective maintenance procedure for the PRV. Always remember, safety first.